What's up, J Squad? It's your girl, Life Shit. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel because my channel is lit. And if you're not, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a maintenance week because today I'm just going to wash and blow dry my hair. Then the other days I'm going to get my hair done, etc. So just stay tuned. Today's date is June the 30th. So now that I said that, let's get straight into the wet video.
Feels away to the summer sunset on a holy night on a long back road. All the tears I fight, 16 carriages driving away while I watch the ride with my fears away to the summer sunset on a holy night on a long back road. All the tears I fight.
I don't know if y'all can hear me or not, but it's some days later. My hair is still blow dry. I put it in the bonnet, and today's date is July 2nd. Turn around so y'all can see the results so far. And I will be putting some mousse or conditioner and water on the ends right here so they can curl up. Yeah.
Dog, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around like it's every time I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know you might walk by. So I gotta be right. I scribble X and O's in my notebook.
Hey y'all, so it's the next day. Today's day is 4th of July. Let me show y'all. Happy 4th of July to everyone out there. So today I'm basically gonna be running errands that I didn't run yesterday. I'm gonna be running them today. I do need an oil change, but nothing's open, so I'm gonna have to reschedule that to do that another day. So like I said, y'all just gonna come along with me while I run these errands. See y'all later. Bye. y'all, so I just left the car wash, so now I'm about to go get my toes done. After I get my toes done, I am going to go get me some breakfast because I'm hungry. Even though it's going to be 1 o'clock, I'm still craving some breakfast. So I'm going to catch y'all later.
I said, skirt on neither, skirt up on neither, skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well, promise I won't cry, bust the milk. Need a paper towel, give me another bell, give me another hour or two, hour with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you won't? Whatever we want, it don't matter. You do whatever I want, get whatever I want.
Yeah, I just save little bit here and do the art here. But it's up to you, okay?
Next time.
Next time, okay? I love you, thank you. What's your name?
Jada.
Jada.
Hey y'all, so we made it. Hey. Y'all, I just left the car wash not too long ago, and now it's raining. Hey y'all, so this wraps up today's part of the video. I might come back and record tomorrow when I go get my oil change after work. So I'll talk to y'all later. Bye y'all. Hey y'all, so I didn't have time to go home and change because I was running errands, but I just got off work like not too long ago. So right now I'm at Take 5 getting my oil change. So after I get my oil change, I think I'm going to end this video. I'm not sure yet, but just stay tuned to see what I do, like I say always. So see y'all later after they get done changing my oil. Hey y'all, so that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and as you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss no videos from me. Till then, see you guys in my next video.
Whatever we want, it don't matter. You do whatever I